Dear friends, I am Kokun Das on behalf of expert committee has come to you to share about the ideas of mathematics of class 6, 7 and 8. You know, our student has forced to confined in four walls for a long period. Therefore, a learning gap has been created to them. Some parents help their child, but the number of this type of parents is microscopic. A large number of students are felt aside the learning process, and now when we are trying to teach them in classroom teaching, it is not possible, it is not easy for us to complete the whole process of learning because of their learning gap. We the teachers, when come to our class, brainstorming has created to us, we are finding the ways how we can teach our student to learn them easily, comfortably, but for their learning gap or lack of their previous knowledge, they cannot get the full advantage of learning. West Bengal government has designed a book, and this book contains some ideas of previous class. We discuss some chapters of the previous class briefly and include them in the running chapter. For example, of class 6, there is a chapter LCM and HCF of three numbers, but when our student agreed to learn the three numbers LCM or HCF, they have to know what is LCM and what is HCF. Precisely, they have to know what is factors and what is the common factors of two or more numbers, and then they have to find the greatest common factors, which we call HCF. Similarly, they have to know the multiples of numbers, and the common multiple of two or more numbers are then the least common multiples of the numbers, that is LCM. By this process, by gathering the knowledge of LCF and HCF, they have the knowledge, they have able to get the idea of HCF and LCM of three or more numbers. Similarly, if we discuss about the chapter square root, we find that our student have to know the numbers which are squared. That is, plenty of numbers have been given to them, and they have to find, they have to recognize the squared number, and how a number can be squared, it is also be known to them. If this process of knowing is complete, then the square root of the number is possible. Similarly, if we discuss about the chapter of class 7, algebraic process, we find that our student have to know what is algebraic expressions and what are the terms and coefficients of algebraic expressions. If the term and coefficients is known to them, then they can proceed for further. Unlike and like terms will also be known to them, because addition or subtraction is possible only like terms of the numbers, but multiplication or division is possible for like and unlike terms. So, if our student does not know what is like term and what is unlike term, they have not be possible to proceed further. We also know about the chapters of class 7, that is double bar diagram. For this chapter, some previous knowledge is very essential. They have the ability to form frequency distribution table by using raw data, and with the help of tally mark they can do it. And by the help of frequency distribution table, they can form bar diagram. If they can do so, only then it is possible to form double bar diagram using same axis, and then they can compare the two different things about their tendencies. For class 8, we can discuss you about the chapter factorization. But in class 8, the factorization process mainly depends on the laws of algebra. But our student who came to class 8, who came for class 8, does not have previous knowledge of factorization. So, some previous knowledge have to be formed to them. That is, they have to know what are the prime factors of any number. For example, 24. 24 can be factorized and it can be expressed as 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 24. They have to know the monomials, that is one term. For example, 18xy square, this can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 3 into x into y into y. Similarly, polynomials of two terms can be factorized, such as 6x square plus 9x equal to 2 into 3 into x plus 3 into 3 into x. 3 into x, this term are present on both the terms. So, it can be taken common from the terms. Therefore, factorization is complete by 3x into 2x plus 3. They can be able to use the laws of the algebra. Class 8, factorization of algebraic expression in class 8 mainly based on algebraic laws. First law which they have to know is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. For example, one expression 1 to 1 minus 36x square. This expression can be factorized by using this formula, that is equal to 11 square minus 6x whole square equal to 11 plus 6x into 11 minus 6x. They have also have to know the formulas of a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube, only then they have to able to complete the factorization process in class 8. So, all these discussion complete in our book briefly and includes with the chapter of factorization of class 8. Similarly, if we discuss another chapter, suppose formation of equation and its solution. This chapter has some previous knowledge. What is this? The previous knowledge is what is algebraic equation and what are the roots of this algebraic equation. Also, what is linear equation with single variable. All of these have to know to our students, and then they can solve or equation, or they can form an equation and solve it easily. Our book bridging their previous knowledge and their present lesson briefly. They have to read and write this book first 100 days, and we hope these 100 days learning will reduce their learning gap and they can be able to joyful learning to their present class. Thank all of you, and we hope you must be done this difficult process and help our student for their learning.